Now that it's finally sunny and I have a bit more time, I want to show you a bit how the trolley looks like when it's naked without all the things on top of it. So it's based on a normal wares trolley, the one you can bring your stuff, and is getting a bit bigger when you pull this part out. But apart from that, I really just changed the wheels in the first version of it because I want to go a bit off-road, and I want to change the balance and the sense of gravity on it. And I attached these two sticks, which are walking sticks, and they are connected directly to my rucksack. So I just pull it and it comes with me very easily. It walks with me. This year I wanted to improve it because uphill is a bit hard to drive it. It's a lot of weight that you don't have on you, but still it's a lot of weight that you will go uphill. So what I did was I cannibalized a motor from a skateboard electric one, and this basically is like I made sure that this wheel is on this wheel and they pull each other, so when you turn it, it moves. Now it's not connected, but that is the principle. And on top of that, I wanted to have a third wheel, which is a frontal one, because still you can load it more and have it on the ground instead of your shoulders. What I did, I put one wheel first, but then I put two of them. I connected them, and because when they turn, they might be too hard and they get in this position that is really not nice, because then you cannot really run it. So what I did was to put it back here and add these two strings, which are really are elastic, so they basically pull it back to the original position. To make it stronger, I also did this triangle here. You can see it maybe from here. Yeah, it's easier. From here you can see the triangle here, which is basically making sure that the force that you do in this direction on pulling is really not creating too much stress on the structure. And the hardest part was to connect it to the original structure, which is this part here. So I 3D printed a double piece. It's two parts and have several screws. So basically the best is when you want to make sure that a 3D part is working very steady and strong, is to put metal in it. So what I did, like for the vertical, I put one, and then I put other two in the back. You can see them there, and then there is a really huge one here which goes through the pipe and goes on the other side. And because I was not sure, I did as our knees are done. Basically I put two of those long screws that goes this way and on the other side here opposite, so they make X in the structure, which means that whenever you move it and you pull it, it doesn't shake. And this goes through a lot of tryouts, a lot of failures, a lot of breakdown points, and this is the final version which I'm traveling with in this moment. And see you soon.